Hello, and thank you for tuning in to John DZ Adventuring. In this episode, I review the Luno Life Signature Air Mattress. This inflatable sleeping system was introduced to me by my friend, Channing Lindsay. He was able to hook me up with a 15% discount using his code, Channing15. Car camping / overlanding wasn't always so comfortable for me. 2.5 years ago, I purchased a Subaru Forester XT. This was the first crossover / SUV that I've ever owned, and I was really excited to build out some kind of sleeping system for it. One of my main reasons for purchasing a Subaru Forester was to be able to sleep in it. My goal was to become a ski bum. And I know it sounds like a funny aspiration, but I love snowboarding, and I wanted to make it affordable. By skipping out on a hotel stay, I'm saving anywhere from $120 to $350 a night. It's also pretty amazing to wake up to this kind of view. So at this point, I've had over 2 years experience car camper landing. So going into this mattress review, I think I have a pretty good understanding of what works and what doesn't, what's comfortable and what's not. What's up, everybody? This is John DZ Adventuring. I'm about to go on a 5-day road trip up to Northern California, Mount Shasta to be exact. And I like to set up my bed before I head out on one of these trips. Hands down, the number one thing you should look for in an air mattress is its ability to retain air. This is one of the areas that the Luno Life mattress is going to shine. I inflated this on a Thursday, and it stayed inflated for 6 days. Well, it was a good time living out of my car for 5 days. And I no longer need to leave this air mattress aired up. Other air mattresses that I've owned before would not retain air, so I'd wake up to a deflated mattress. The next review criteria is going to be comfort. The Luno Life mattress is shaped to fit your specific vehicle. The contoured shape adds a lot of comfort. This means that the mattress won't be pinched at the wheel well, and you won't have these ledges where your shoulders are located. The mattress also comes with 2 sides. This means that when I move around, I don't bother my wife as much. This also allows me to inflate one side and then place my gear on the other side, perfect for solo trips. To compare, here's one of those cheap $13 Walmart air mattresses. Don't let its size fool you. In this case, bigger is not better. This mattress offers very little support, and when you wake up in the morning, you may have a creaky back and a sore neck. In my opinion, the Luno Life mattress has an above average comfort score. The reason I don't give it a perfect 10 out of 10 is because there are mattresses out there that are super duper comfortable, made of foam and other softer materials. Speaking of which, those comfortable materials will often take up a lot more space. By comparison, the Luno Life mattress is very compact, so it gets a very high portability score. Some materials that may feel more comfortable won't have the same durability as the Luno Life mattress. After pumping up my backpacking air pad, you see it deflate before your eyes. The Luno Life mattress is built tough. I've already used it more than 30 days, and well, during my recent trip, it held air for 6 days straight. The last criteria that I want to talk about is price. The mattress goes for $224.99. Because I've tried so many other sleeping systems, I know that $224 is actually a pretty good deal. Check out the Exped Mega Mat Duo. I think it's a very high quality air mattress. I've demoed it at REI. It's very comfortable, but the problem is it's $389. Also, because it's 52 inches in width, it won't fit in most SUVs, at least without compressing the sides. So I've only had one issue with my Luno Life mattress, and that's with the loops of the valve caps and valve plugs ripping. I don't consider this problem deal-breaking because the loop just secures the valve plug and cap. You only remove the plug when you inflate or deflate, and then you just pop it back in. And now it's time for some Luno Life hacks. So Luno Life hack number 1, inflate through the comfort valve. You'll inflate 4 times as fast.
Oh, no, here.
Side by side, so one from the comfort valve, one side from the comfort valve.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, because I'm not
Here,
sure.
I'm gonna get the timer. I'm gonna get the timer.
How could they possibly be different? All right,
Okay, let me get my timer out.
make me a believer.
You ready?
All right,
Ready, go.
And you also got to make sure that you don't cover that air inlet, because then you block the air from flowing through. But you see this thing moving already. Where are we at, Channing?
We're at 31 seconds.
Oh, it's okay. Well, there you go. It's inflated.
It's inflated. Now I'm gonna stop it.
Well, so check this out. So see how it's
already.
Luno Life hack
watch,
number 2.
Watch, Sandra.
now. Check it out.
Now look at how firm it is.
I love it like this. I didn't like it the other way. I thought it was too mushy for me, but I love it like this. This.
Okay, second side. Let's do second side.
Oh, second side. Okay, all right.
Valve is closed, and let me know.
You got to push this one all the way down, by the way.
You got to hear a click, kind of.
Yeah, it
makes like a click sound. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let me know when you're ready.
I am ready. Go.
How much we got?
So we're at 45 seconds, and there's quite a bit of difference.
Yeah.
I gotta look at the
Big difference. Thank you for watching my Luno Life signature air mattress review. I purchased this product with my own money. And because I think so highly of this product, I actually became a Luno Life ambassador. I now have my own discount code. So for 15% off, use code JohnDZ15. Just keep in mind, like most companies, Luno Life typically has discounts during major holidays. Radio check. I know. It's probably like a missile launcher or something like that. Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Ow! I don't know if that's an overlander. I guess it's ready to like. This is awesome. Hey, we kind of look alike, Rue San Diego. I mean San Bernardino. Wait. Hey, I can cut that out. I can do an edit. Mountain Rue San Bernardino, and then you start to look happy. What the? No, you're welcome. You're welcome. Darn it. Fireworks! They're going all out for you.
This is like Knott's Berry.
Look at this, like Disneyland.
No, more like Knott's Berry.
Oh yeah. So Channing, how do you like the Luno Life mattress?
I love the Luno Life mattress.
Here.
Get your ear protection ready.
Woo!